Did you know that you can actually sell more than just HighLevel using the SaaS configurator? You can actually add apps to the SaaS configurator from the app marketplace in order to resell apps alongside your SaaS. So you can create a custom, unique selling proposition specifically for your white label SaaS offer. Now, this is really important, especially if you're solving a very unique problem in your niche. And I'm going to show you today how you can add these apps to your SaaS plans inside the SaaS configurator in order to solve that problem even better using HighLevel and the app marketplace. Now here we are in our SaaS configurator where usually you can just add and remove different features for HighLevel, set your prices, get your sale links, and all sorts of things like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this standard plan, we'll click edit details, and you can do this with any of your SaaS plans, and we can go over to marketplace apps. Most people are used to just using add-ons and rebilling, but using the marketplace tab, you can explore tons of different apps and add them to your SaaS plans here. So first you'll see your installed apps on your agency on this screen. So if you already have one that is installed on your agency, you can just click the plus icon and then this will add it to this sub account. So if we click plus right here, then it will say included. And now whatever permissions this app needs, it'll automatically be granted for that sub account and it'll be added to the sub account so you can resell this product alongside your SaaS plan. Now in this screen, you can navigate between different collections, different categories, all the different types of apps that you can install into your agency. So let's say you're running an accounting specific offer. You can look up accounting specific apps and see all of the different apps that you can add and resell along with your SaaS plan. For example, let's say we're going to use a free app here like EasyBill by All the Apps. This, just like many other apps, provides us with some additional actions and triggers which we can use with our workflow. And this is important because we can use this as a completely unique selling point when we're selling our SaaS. Now, for this example, this is a free app and we can go ahead and click install and it'll go through the developer's installation process for this app. And now that that app is installed, all we have to do is go back to our SaaS plan in the SaaS configurator and add it under marketplace apps. And again, we can just do that by clicking the plus icon on the app. And we can even do this with multiple apps if we want to create really custom workflows and solutions for our customers. Now, what do we do if we have a paid app that we want to offer to our customers? Well, that's a little bit different. And we can do that directly from the app marketplace. So if we navigate back to the marketplace on the left-hand side and then go back over to app reselling, which is where we can set our rebilling and reselling for our apps. So for an example, EasyBill, the app we just installed, is a free app to install, but for the actions, maybe there is a price on the actions themselves. As we can see here, when we click set up usage-based pricing, we can see that we have developer's price, and then we can put in our own profit margins for these different actions. So if our customers are going to be using these products, for example, using this create customer action within our workflows, which we brought in from this app, we can modify some of these numbers in order to adjust how much profit we want to take. So if we want to seriously ramp up our profit, this is a really easy way to put in our profit numbers here on our app and set up usage-based pricing for these apps. And now that that app is bundled with our SaaS plan and we have usage-based pricing together, these two things give customers a really great experience by giving them a more custom version of HighLevel. And then it also allows us to rebill and resell for these apps themselves. So this is a fantastic option if you are running a SaaS using HighLevel. Now, if you want more information about the app marketplace or how you can bundle them with your SaaS plans, simply just check out the blog or you can leave a comment on this video below. As always, my name is Andrew and thank you very much for watching.